My name is Erlin, and this is Lukas, my husband. We are from Arcadia, California. The reason why we want to sell this house because we want to look for a bigger house and of course newer. That's why I contacted Ben and Rudy's team to help me. And at the beginning, we were thinking to sell our house, but we were kind of worried because the season is not in our favor right now. But then we contacted Ben and Rudy's team, and we talked, and then they suggest me with a lot of things that they have, they have 30,000 buyers in waiting. That makes me thinking that it can create more demands, and then maybe my house can sell fast, which is surprisingly one of the program that they have. They call RBID. With that program, when they have open house, more than 200 people came to our house and see our house. So our house can be, in 1 week, we got 14 offers. And at the end, it sold in a very good price. We are happy. Also, when they work very professional. They explain very clear everything that we need to sign, to go over with, and then also they work very fast, and basically they work very good, and we're so happy. And 100% I will recommend Ben and Rudy's team to my friends and family.